ഡിയർ സ്റ്റുഡൻറ്റ്, 10ലെ കെമിസ്ട്രിയുടെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് റിവൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഹൗ മെനി സബ് ഷെൽ ആർ ഇൻ എം ഷെൽ? 3. Question number 2. At constant temperature and pressure, volume of a gas is directly proportional to dash of the gas. Answer: number of molecules. Question number 3. Atomic number of chromium is 24. Write the subshell electronic configuration of chromium. Answer: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5, 4s1. Give reason for this peculiar subshell electronic configuration. Half-filled orbitals are generally more stable than fully filled or empty. Next question. Atomic mass of sodium is 23. What is the mass of 2 GaM sodium? Answer: 2 into 23 equal to 46. Next question. How many atoms are present in 2 GaM sodium? 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Next question. Lanthanoids and actinoids are called F-block elements. Why are they called F-block elements? Write any two uses of F-block elements. Answer: the last electrons are filled up in the F subshell. Uranium, thorium, plutonium, etc. are used as fuel in nuclear reactors. Thorium is utilized as part of cancer treatment. Next question. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44. What is the mass of 2 mole carbon dioxide? Equal to 44 into 2 equal to 88. How many moles are present in 220 gram carbon dioxide? Answer: 220 divided by 44 equal to 5. Next question. Calculate the number of molecules in 220 gram carbon dioxide. Answer: 5 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23.